Closest relationship must be with your child. Don't ignore the signs. That's right. You them our future. Take heed. Shivering, she awakes in the cold sweat. Terrified, so she speaks under her breath. Makes a fake cry for help, she's a real mess. That's the sign of the stress. Ma, listen to her. Heartbeats working overtime in her chest. Scared stiff from approaching footsteps. Ignoring the stains on a torn dress. Come now, ma, listen to her. How could you put your own child in danger? Turn around and take the words of a stranger. You didn't want to face the fact, so you blamed her. Too late, ma, you should have listened to her.
She's asleep, finally. She's at peace. The angel's gone out of reach. Finally, soul's at peace. The angels.
She faded like a delicate flower. Try to wash away the shame in the shower. Defending him left her feeling overpowered. You were wrong, ma, you didn't listen to her. It was there in the words of the letter. Had you read it, maybe things would be better. You let her down and I won't let you forget her. Save your tears, ma, you should've listened to her. How could you put your own child in danger? And turn around and take the words of a stranger. You didn't wanna face the facts, so you blamed her. Save your tears, ma, you didn't listen to her.